Something I've been very excited about exploring lately is Pika 1.5. This changes the game for performance marketing hooks. These are the kinds of effects that you can see: melting, crushing, cakefying, or squishing. Now, how might you use this for a performance marketing hook? One would be the cakify it. This is very common for a lot of games. You've seen ads that show cutting of potatoes, cutting of tomatoes, cutting of fruits, vegetables. That could definitely be a great effect to try. Another would be exploded. Those would be great visual hooks to use. I'm going to show what happens when we have a heap of coins filling the screen and we ask to explode it. And I think that's a great visual hook for a lot of products that emphasize monetary gain. Could be cashback products, could be idle games, could be social casino games. And I think this would be a great visual hook. So all you need to do is press this. And here you have the heap of coins filling the screen. There we go. That's exciting. That's going to make for a great visual hook. Another example, something that I tried earlier, was a box exploding, which again could be a great unboxing video hook. And both these I was able to generate on the free plan. Certainly, it's a lot slower on the free plan, but with the paid plans, you could certainly make it much faster and much, much cooler.